Hey everyone, it's Chris at Service Autopilot. I wanted to give you a quick demonstration of the mobile application in Service Autopilot. And this is going to be from the perspective of a field employee, a technician, a worker, whatever you call them within your company, the people that are in the field doing the work for the customers. So we're not going to go into every little detail about the mobile, just a basic workflow for those people in your company. So I'm logged in here, and I've got a job that's been scheduled for me for this customer, Steven Garcia, and it's at 11:15. So here's a typical workflow that your field technician might use. First, I might want to contact the customer, and I can click the contact button and choose from my options here. So I can call one of their various phone numbers, send them a text message or an email, maybe just to let them know that I'm on the way. When we're ready to start driving to the property, we'll click Drive, and then the map icon, which is going to pull up the default mapping application on my phone. So either Apple Maps or Google Maps, depending on what type of device you're using. When we arrive on the property, we'll pull the app back up and then click into the name of the client. So I'll click Steven Garcia, and it pulls up this job for me. So it shows me here exactly what I'm doing. It's a service call that's hourly, and the name of that service is arbitrary. That's just what I have in my account. You could customize the name of your own services. So what I'll do here is click Start Job, which is going to start tracking the time on this property. So let's walk through a couple of examples of what we might need to do on the application at this point. Maybe we need to add a product to the service. Let's say we're repairing something or installing something, and we need to add that product or that piece of equipment that we're installing. I'll click Options underneath Service Call and choose either Add Product or Add Installed Product. I'm not going to go into detail here about the difference between the two. That's something that could be taught to you at a later date, but you would know exactly which one to choose, and so would your field technician. So I'll choose Add a Product, and I'll just select one of my generic Widget A or Widget B options. I can modify the quantity that we're installing, the rate, or the cost. Now, as far as rate and cost goes, you can actually disable the ability for your field staff to be able to see and or modify those numbers. So don't worry if you want those numbers hidden. And we'll say that we don't want to add another product. Okay, let's say we also see an opportunity for an upsell, and we want to relay a note back to the office that we noticed something while we were here, and we think that a salesperson should reach out to them. So I'll click into Notes to Office and add that note. We'll just say Upsell Opportunity. Okay, and then we'll click Save. Finally, if we needed to, we could get a signature on this work order. I'll click View Work Order and then Sign, where I can capture the customer's signature. Okay, when we're done with the job, we'll click Stop Job, and we will say that it is complete. We'll click Yes. It asks me to view the invoice, and I'll click Yes. And then we'll save our invoice. And now we can email the invoice to the customer. Okay, so when the job is completed, we'll go back to our schedule screen. And if there are no remaining jobs, we'll click our face and clock out. And that's a simple workflow from the mobile application in Service Autopilot. If you want some more details about more specifics, watch some of the other videos. They should clear up your questions. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.